Auto Arena brings you an in-depth look at the Audi Q5, a premium SUV that blends luxury, performance, and advanced technology. This review covers its specifications, features, and everything you need to know before making a purchase. The Audi Q5 is known for its refined design and strong road presence. Its bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body give it a sophisticated yet sporty appeal. The aerodynamic profile enhances its performance while maintaining an elegant stance. The interior is a perfect mix of luxury and comfort, featuring high-quality materials, premium leather upholstery, and advanced tech for a superior driving experience. Under the hood, the Audi Q5 comes with a powerful engine lineup. The standard model is equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers impressive performance with smooth acceleration. The Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures excellent grip and stability, making it ideal for various driving conditions. The suspension setup provides a comfortable ride while maintaining precise handling. Fuel efficiency is also commendable for its class, making it a practical choice for daily commutes and long drives. Inside the cabin, the Audi Q5 is loaded with state-of-the-art features. The digital cockpit offers a fully customizable display, providing all essential information at a glance. The MMI infotainment system with the large touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone connectivity. The premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience. Comfort features include ventilated seats, 3-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof that enhances the overall ambience. Safety is a top priority in the Audi Q5, with the range of advanced driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system ensure a secure driving experience. The robust build quality and multiple airbags further enhance passenger protection. The braking system is highly responsive, offering reliable stopping power in all conditions. When it comes to practicality, the Audi Q5 offers ample cargo space, making it ideal for family trips and everyday use. The rear seats can be folded to create additional storage room when needed. The electric tailgate adds convenience, making loading and unloading hassle-free. The SUV is designed to offer the perfect balance between utility and sophistication. The driving experience of the Audi Q5 is engaging, thanks to its responsive steering and refined engine performance. The various driving modes allow customization according to different preferences, whether you want a relaxed cruise or dynamic drive. The cabin remains quiet even at high speeds, ensuring a peaceful journey. Overall, the Audi Q5 stands out as a premium SUV that offers luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology in a single package. Whether you are looking for a stylish urban SUV or a capable long-distance cruiser, this vehicle delivers on all fronts. The attention to detail, robust safety features, and advanced tech make it a great choice for those seeking an all-around premium experience. For more such detailed reviews and automotive insights, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay updated with the latest content.